Teka besok tong kontrol di musa jangnai.
Alion guru.
Tamo. Nin baba ni mu. Good. Yang tahu kelas so? Hambai jo. Kam kapur itu.
Kolam, Colgate, saban.
Aduh pak. Video kalian nu sering-sering tang lagi. Nih mung tamo. Sinang Debbarma. Nang bo kelas apa re?
Now I request Miss Yasi and friends to take. Now let us proceed to the next item, that is choreography from Miss Yasi and friends. Now I request Miss Yasi and friends to take up their dance.
kok slide tong aja. Ya video kayu nu sini tang aja. Kok slide tong aja. Lah, yang nagar.
Okay, everyone, good morning once again. Okay, all the parents, good morning.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to thank God for giving us this wonderful day once again to celebrate the Teachers' Day. So, we, the Synod Foundation English Medium School, if I'm not mistaken, for the second time after I arrived here, we could celebrate grandly this type of program. So I want to thank to all my co-workers, my staff, for cooperating with me to conduct all this Teachers' Day once again. Okay, and then I would like to thank all the students for your nice performance, for your dedication, for your hard work. So we perform their performance. So I want to thank them. I want to thank both of them too, and then I want to thank the mentors for your leading them. Also, I want to thank all the students who are participating in the dance party. So your performance was beyond expectation, I should say. Okay, so keep it up your performance was good. So in the days to come, you will be someone who can organize such a huge programs again in the days to come. So we will be having like annual days programs and other school activities will also be there. So even at the time, you keep on pushing to perform your beautiful dance again. Okay? So that is my request to all the dance party. And I'd like to thank the welcome address addressed by from the students of class 5 to Shana. Fourth, so we are training our students to not only in their teaching, I mean not only to learn their books, learn their lessons, but also we are training how to face the multitude, how to stand among the people, and then to perform such an important role in the program. So once again, I want to thank all the students who are participating in the items, and then I want to thank all my fellow teachers for mentoring them, for guiding them to reach this the Teachers' Day beautifully. And in the speech,
Jadi ungkha sungka to saimano Teachers' Day. Teachers ungkha Kokborok baitama burung naik da. Baksa boyo ke hoda bono. Hoda kra burung naik sa. Ya sabuno ungkong. Jadi ni all Teachers' Day ni dino sini teachers je mangkat kainai rok sini guardian itu sini boti sat komimano sungsar junong di sat kubang matum aborok no sini chung pelao chung borong rio borok do borok no chung hamjang mani si baik jotto guardian rok student rok yak rati sawi master no si baik lain yak sawi yak raja chung teacher rok no hamjang chung master rong ni bagoi te jurai guardian rong ni bagoi suri mungkai sana rungai mai gedang apa kai to ini osal kotor master rong ni sal dui sikang ni borok chongui tongmano tini chungbo o sinnaram sankal parao Synod protha ni hoite Synod foundation ni hoite abo chung hanang mani tini unu kebe mongkuri tui kenchini program panda sing sawi lima bai koi lao no pul kaya Hambai maro apa mo kanai subrai disu ini kani sirisano Hambai.
A big hand for Jamna and friends. Jamuna and friend. Now let us proceed to the next item, that is Teacher Day speech from Miss Ismeri Debbarma of class 4. Now I request Miss Ismeri to take up her time. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Hello, good morning, everyone. Okay, good morning. Good morning to all the parents and my fellow students who are gathering here to celebrate Teachers' Day, and I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my respected teachers on behalf of all the students on this special day. And I, Ismeri Debbarma of class 4, would like to draw your attention while I am delivering my speech. Without further delay, let me jump directly to the point behind the celebration of this Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated. Teachers' Day was celebrated all over India on the 5th September every year. Today. Now let us proceed to the next item, that is vote of thanks from Priyashi Debbarma of class 4. Now I request Priyashi Debbarma to take up her time. Good morning, everyone. Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you who are present here. As I, on behalf of my dear students, I myself, Priyashi, class 4, would like to deliver word of thanks. I am so thankful and grateful to Almighty God for giving this opportunity, standing in front of you for traveling today. I want to say a big thanks to our respected headmaster, who is always encouraging and directing us. And I would like to thank to all the teachers who are great staff today for your working hard with a lot of love, make us good students and amazing people. Whenever we meet you, you were always gracious. With your time, we really appreciate you all. I thank Miss Ismeri for your speech. We got opportunity to hear your thoughts. We hope this will surely going to encourage us in our future events. And I thank to all my parents and my host and co-host and youth who are taking part once again. Many thanks to all of you who are present here. Thank you.
Ang look sa pali ya boleh nok ni musa mana. Tapi kita tahu mana ni. Ang hasil orang musa bersama. Ang tak bersama yo, orang musa bersama ya. Musa kat juga, orang musa kat. Tak tu tahu hotel kubunin orang musa na. Ha? Saya kau bersama orang ni musa tengah. Bisa. Ini tak kau bersama orang musa. Dia tujuh tong ke? Masih ada kaham kan masih ada tabu di sana. Biasa tabu kan? Orang besar tam yang udah sebagian bagi saya, tam yang perkenalan ini sana, kalau kita dari ada pabrik, ini di Bangladesh, ini kan, kalau sini, para pusat sana ada kan, itu mana kan, ini kan, kalau ini kan, itu kalau, lo tahu katanya dong di sana, hah? Orang udah pusat. Tamkan musuh orang musuh pikir terus, apa? Kita musuh orang ini kan tu, itu mulai menentang, mulai kita betul. Saya besar masa kesap masakan nonton ni, no kasih masakan, enggak ada beri doka, Musa ka? Teka, gusto tong kana musa mo. Kanyam. Tawanda. Gusto din ni kana tawanda. Tara hali na busa. Tiga saja nih muktamu, nih baba nih mu, nih ma nih mu, nenggo sekolah pori, good, yang tahu kelas o, kelas 1, nih teacher korang busuk to, 7 jona, mung dema nih 7 jona nih, mung mai ada, madam sonila, miss sonila, nih madam malani, miss korang nih mung salah to. Dan nengsalah, Miss Barsika, Miss Sanggi. Ini hal prinsipalnya mungtamo. Sarjoy ini. Hambai jo, kam kapor itu. Ini mungtamo. Ini sekolah mungtamo. Sekolah. Neng bok kelas apa itu bo? Hah? Kelas 1. Oh, kan ini sekolah teacher korang busuk tong, saya dimana? Sarjan. Sar korang busuk, miss song korang busuk tong, saya dimana? Miss Tinjon. Dabor nembung kita saya kenal lah, saya dimana? Madam Maloni. Engkai sar song nembung salah satu. Sarjoy. Nong school ni principal ni mungtam saya dema. Nong ni school ni principal ni mungtam untuk saya kenal lah. Sarjoy. Tongai hai. Tongai. Tatang gore payah kuble. Neng kaham ke por di do lote bo. Neng dabo kelas 1 neng khali ke bo kelas kana kalai. Hah? Saya kok kelas 2. Right. Susang ni yang susang di. Nengolo poriwe tore si kelas hoke tamong namu sungna. Doctor de, scientist de, na tamo engineer rok da, police force de, tamong namu sungna. Police namu sungo. Oh. Dah kan hambai. Hey.